Well, hello again. Now before we start, remember to subscribe, hit that button, and if you want to know what's coming up next, well, hit that little bell icon. Okay, right, now the character we're going to do today, the iconic face, is Super Mario, a great wee character. Now I'm going to draw 2 circles for the face. I'm going to make it really good, quite simple. So start off about there and come up here with my top of the circle there, come back down. And like that, there's one big circle, like that, okay. And the next circle comes in cutting across it, there, like that. It's maybe more a little egg shape, there's a little point at the end of this particular circle, and a slightly more flat top. You see those two cutting across each other, alright? Now this part here would actually be his face, and this part here would be his cap. Okay, now this line here, what I want you to do is draw a circle, another circle, right cutting, that's going to cut right through the circle that I'm going to draw, right there. Can you guess what that is? It's his big nose. Right, and then above that on either side there are 2 other circles. Well, of course, those are the eyes, and they kind of go behind that line of the circle there. You see, and they kind of stop by that line. They go by. If you wanted to continue to go behind it, but you don't. You just do it like that. And of course, the way that Mario's eyes are drawn, there's another kind of shape inside there, a bit more like a kind of oval shape, and another one there. And then one more, starting from the end here, the edge, drawing, and that's the inside. Okay? And there's one more circle to draw on each of these inside bits. One big circle there, and one big circle there. You know what that is? Well, these are the highlights, where the light shining in the eyes. Now that's the top of the head, and from that line, this corner here, where it joins, you draw another curve coming up, and that's the skip of the cap. Bring it over like that and round, then double it up, and above that, well, it's another circle. That's where the letter M goes, right in here. Okay, and the letter M is kind of splayed out like that, and then it's slightly wider at the bottom there, slightly flared out. Okay, and back to the face again. Above the eyes we have 2 big chunky eyebrows, one there and one there, and of course, you see that line there? Well, that actually marks out the top of his big curving moustache. So put a wee dot there and a dot there, that's where they start, and then you come down, you do 1 loop, 2, 3 to the centre, and then 1, 2, 3 up to there, and that's his moustache. Now just below that, draw a little line coming in to a point and then back up again, and that's his smiley mouth. Oh, forgot his ears. Same point, start there and bring it down about here. One big curve, lots of curves in this face. One there, like that. Excellent. Right, now we can start to ink in. So first of all, I'll start off with the circle around the letter M, down to the edge of the skip of the cap there, and then nice sharp points on your letter M, and splay that one out a bit, you see, and keep that parallel, and splay it out again to the bottom, like that. Alright, and the top of the cap, start from the point there just above the ear, follow that line round nice and carefully, right round, keep it going all the way around to the other ear there, and then the skip of the cap, the top of the skip, see, I'll start it here, bring it around to that point, and start it here, bring it to there, and bring the thickness of the edge right around to there. Okay, and the thing about Super Mario is his eyebrows seem to go over the line of his cap, so we'll draw the eyebrow lines in first of all. And like segments of orange, but the slices of orange, you see that? Okay, then the bottom of the cap comes in behind his eyebrows there. Excellent. Now, the two eyes, starting from the top of the nose there, coming up. And then the next line which comes in just from the inside there. Nice fine line. Parallel lines are easy. And the next one starts from the edge and then the big round highlight. Okay? Next eye comes in there. And the next one comes in there with those lines parallel, and then the inside one like that with a big circle. Okay, then his nose, a big round nose cutting across there, right round up to there, the top of his moustache now. The first big curve, second, and the third to the middle, and 1, 2, 3 up the other side, and joined it like that. Okay. Oh, tell you what, I forgot his sideburns, which come down under his cap there, and appear in about there. Okay, so let me draw those in now. And like that, and goes up, and up like that, and his wee mouth, his smiley mouth, and a wee kind of point there, and back up again, on the side, and a couple of lines underneath his lip. His ears, nice curves coming down, another line on the inside, and then this middle part, with another curve there, and then the middle part, like that. And then his cheeks. I won't bring them straight down, I'll bring them in slightly to give him a little chin. So get a nice wee curve like that, in, and then dips, and then a little chin. Okay, and then out to his cheek again, coming up. There. Excellent. So there is the outline of the face. Now let's start to colour some of these in. Actually, I'll be doing the black today. The next tutorial will be about the colour. So what I'm going to do is just colour the black parts of the face today. And the only black parts on Mario's face are the eyebrows, the middle of the eye, and the moustache. So let's do that just now. There's one eyebrow. Another one. And the centre of the eye, remember, we're going to leave these two circles white, because that's the highlights, that's when the light's catching the eye. Makes it look quite sparkly. Like that. Okay. And then the moustache. There we are. Oh, a grand moustache he's got, hasn't he? There we are. Curve right under his nose there. And onto that curve. Bring it around the other side. Right up. Careful not over the line here. Alright. Excellent, there we go. Now, there we are. What I want to do is I'm just going to shade in the sideburns a wee bit, because it'll give you a better idea, because I'm going to colour them later. I'll be able to rub that out and colour them later. Just give you a better idea, because that's quite a dark bit of his face. Excellent. And you've got shading under his nose too. Just like that. You've got three-dimensional, and of course you've got shading under there. Right. Now I'm going to get my rubber and I'm going to rub out some of these guidelines. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, I've got my butter rubber now and I'll rub out some of these guidelines to give a clearer picture of the wee chap. There we go. Take that out there. Excellent. There we have Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you can join me the next time, my next tutorial, when I'll be showing you how to draw another iconic face. But in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing!